Daniel!
You mean say me no miss you?
Daniel!
When your pussy make me. Fuck you mean say me no miss you?
Daniel! Daniel! Hey, the army sent a recruitment letter for you.
I didn't get that.
Recruitment letter from the army.
Recruitment letter?
Yes.
Shit, you must be mad to us. I go back to Jamaica.
Hey, you're gonna fight in the army,
Hey,
son?
no man, tell them some foot, bro. Tell them some foot, bro. Hey, tell them some turn transgender. Me Jesus. Hey, mommy.
Yes, son.
Book the first flight for me tomorrow ASAP, 6 o'clock in the morning. I mean, now wear no clothes, come no one and things say, me Jesus. Recruitment letter.